dear traders, you're watching a weekly link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina. In our program, we discuss the ongoing developments on Forex and try to forecast further moves of popular trading instruments. InstaForex technical analyst Peter Yakimovic will give us his expert advice. The main event on Forex is a slump of the euro-dollar pair by over 200 pips this trading week. Investors are discouraged by the ECB decision to extend the QE program. Hi Peter, when do you think the euro buyers will regain confidence? And do you reckon the euro-dollar pair is likely to resume the upward bias?
Hello there, traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is a big sell-off after the ECB press conference. But what I found is basically the traders failed to test the key support in this currency pair. And this may be a very good sign that price may go back all the way up. And my advice is absolutely watch for buying opportunities. If you see, for example, a bullish flag, and this can be a very, very good potential opportunity since the price may return all the way back. And in my opinion, selling looks risky because the price is near the support, and selling near the support is not a good idea. So watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair, and the upward target set a price of 1.1860, and this can be a very good level for target. So watch for buying opportunities on the euro versus US dollar.
The pound-dollar pair is following a similar trajectory. Do you suggest a similar outlook for this trading instrument, as you have just explained for the euro-dollar pair?
On the British pound versus US dollar, what I found is a very similar scenario like on the euro versus US dollar. I found a sell-off in the background, but in my opinion, since the structure, the price action looks like a more corrective, and in my opinion, this might be a B wave of potential ABC correction. So watch for buying opportunities if you see for example, a bullish flag, something that will confirm potential upward movement. The similar scenario like on euro versus US dollar, the price failed to test the support, and this is actually a very good sign that sellers may, in my opinion, exhausted themselves, and the buying might be in the play in this currency pair. So watch for buying opportunities. And upward target set the price of 1.3415, and this is based on the Fibonacci expansion and on the price action on the 4-hour time frame. So watch for buying opportunities.
Do you expect the dollar-yen pair to spring any surprises next trading week?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, what I found in this currency pair is that price is trading in some kind of consolidation upward channel. It's still not clear that if this is a potential, this may take and price may be in this channel for even further, but my advice watch for potential breakout, the bearish breakout of this upward channel, and that will confirm potential good selling opportunity on this currency pair. So since the price is trading inside the upward channel, watch for example, if you see the valid successful rejection of the support of that channel to buy. But in my advice to watch for basically for a breakout of the support trend line, and then watch for selling opportunities. If you see the valid breakout of this channel, then the downward target will be set the price of 108.15. This is also based on the price action, increased price action in the background. So again, price is right now in some kind of consolidation upward channel, but watch for a breakout, and that will confirm further lower price on this currency pair.
To wind up our link up today, let's follow our tradition and discuss risky trading assets. What deals on the Australian versus the US dollar pair are preferable now?
Australian dollar versus US dollar, this is a very interesting behavior of this currency pair, because price clearly we got a breakout of the very key support trend line, and that was a pretty much corrective structure in the background, and price went lower, and this actually confirmed the bearish continuation of this currency pair. There is a big selling pressure on this currency pair, and selling looks like a good idea. So far, what I found according to the 1-hour time frame is a potential end of the very small ABC corrective phase. So any kind of the bearish flag, any kind of the corrective phase on the way downward, you want to sell this currency pair, and downward target, also key support is at the price of 0.7415.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You have watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.